guys, and welcome to Kitten123 Skye. In this video I would like to do a review of all my videos. So, yeah. First of all, I would like to show me, Skylar. Yeah. Skye's just like you. And, yeah. So, turning around, we went to the American Girl place, and I'm her first doll. I'm going by, first of all, I have 3 dolls, and I brought my first doll to the American Girl store, and I got her hair done. It's called a ponytail veil. It's really fun to watch them do it. And the dress is Grace's, like, I think it's called the going out gown dress, something like that. I don't know. It has to do with a party or something. And her necklace is what she came with, and the charm is this silver sparkle dress, I think is what it's called. Sorry, I'm not good with knowing what the dress or outfits are called. And she has these cute little sandals. Yeah, right there. And so, and this is Coconut. When my friend went to the Washington D.C. American Girl store, she came back with a little present for me, and I've always wanted coconut. So, and now they don't sell this type of coconut anymore. So that's her collar. And yeah. So let me go get the other doll. You can look at it. Okay. Moving on, I have McKenna. She was the 2013 Girl of the Year. She's a gymnast, Anya, and she is wearing an American Girl, I know it's backwards, but it's an American Girl Orlando shirt, because that's where I went. There's a video on it too. And she's wearing a, let's see if I can move the camera. Oh yeah, she's wearing like this really high ponytail, but it's not all of it. And it has a cute little red flower. And then she has Our Generation, no, they're not Our Generation, sorry. We went to a dry cleaner's for my friend's 10th birthday, Kate's, and we got these cute little leggings. And from the American Girl store, I got these fancy boots. And let me go get her, or what I use as her pet. I got this recently. Also, if you go to the cafe, they give you this for free. But it's a Himalayan kitten. I named it Katie. It just looks like one to me. And I used it as McKenna's because McKenna's very athletic, and I used this kitten to be athletic, so yeah. Let me go get the next doll. So I'm using the computer camera. And then, okay. My next doll, I got in 2013 Christmas. Oh no. No, it's 2014 Christmas. No, I get it, it's Christmas. I guess 2013 Christmas. Seems like a long time ago. But I got Julie. Now Julie has nice long hair. I just brushed her hair, so yeah. She's wearing this silver sparkly outfit, the charm that's Skylar was wearing. She's not wearing a necklace, so it doesn't come with one there. It comes with a very sparkly dress, and actually it was on sale. That's why I got it. Like $29 or $28, I think, when it was $30. She's wearing this cute little headband. Let's see the necklace. Right here. And and these very sparkly shoes. Very sparkly. Now let me go get the pet that I use for her. That it's not hers, but I use it for her. I don't have the rabbit. She's retired, but this is Ginger. I use Ginger, and this is not American Girl. It's just a bracelet I made a long time ago. This is Ginger, a cute little kitty. So yeah, and now I'd like to show you my sister's American Girl doll. Where is she? Here she is. Okay. And no, she did not brush her hair, and no, her outfit's not American Girl. This is hers. This is Kit. I love her freckles on her face. Her hair is kind of crazy. My sister should have brushed it. And she uses Pepper. I don't know where her Pepper dog is, but she uses Pepper as her dog. And she's wearing these Our Generation jeans, shirt that we had when we were babies, and this Build-A-Bear robe thingy, and Kit's shoes that she comes with. And I'll show you Kit's scooter that she has. And no, she does not have Grace. She wants Grace really badly, though. Okay. And yes, you can get Kit's scooter at the American Girl place. But here is really how it looks. It says Kit on the side, and then on the front it says Grace. I know it's backwards, I'm sorry. And then it's like the brand of the box. It says California Oranges. Well, that's what, you know, if you have read her book, I think it says so. I haven't read it. And handlebars. So that's Kit's scooter. And really, I have like a whole room I made for them, but I don't really want to go there. But oh, and I forgot to show you. For Kit or Skylar's headband, she has Grace's thing. Yeah, I like it. Some people like it, some people don't. And one thing, I don't understand why. Okay, you know, the 2015 American Girl of the Year, her name's Grace, but she is from Paris, and the strange thing is, like, this is American Girl doll. It doesn't really make sense. And there's this one other thing I want to show you, and please comment down below if your doll has this as well, because so far every doll I have has it. It's gonna be really hard to see in the picture, the camera, but right, you can look in your doll. Okay, right here, where my finger's moving, it says some sort of secret thing. We asked the American Girl people, and they do not know. It's really hard to see. I won't be able to show you because it's like really, it blends into the skin. But it says something. It's like, I don't know, it seems like a number sign, and maybe it's a secret number, I don't know. But please comment down below if your doll has that. So, yeah. And I don't know why I still have that tag. So, thank you for watching Kitten123 Skye. And please comment and subscribe and do all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.